YouTube, Stajonta 75 with a hobby box, 2019-2020. Upper Deck Series 2. Get 6 young guns per box going for Kappos. I think there might be auto or memorabilia cards in here. Let's see how we do. We'll see how it goes. Check how many packs were per box, yeah. It's 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. This might be the last break of the night. Got a little tired. Got work in the morning. So let's see. Let's see how we do. Jesper Boquist, Upper Deck Portraits Rookies. Upper Deck Portraits Rookies, Alexander Volkov. That Jesper one was numbered. I'm sorry, it's numbered. I didn't even realize that was numbered. It's gold, 81 and 99. Not bad. Got a Young Guns, yeah. Ooh, it's a dual Young Guns. Kirby Doc and Kappos. Oh, it's a checklist. Damn it. Young Guns checklist. So I got the Kappos, but not the one that I wanted. Oh, come on. You actually make that count as one of the 6 Young Guns, the checklist? I hope not. That's lame. That better not. Upper Deck, you'd be worse than Panini. Got a canvas of Sean Monahan. I like the canvas cards too. Those are really nice. Different. Mario Ferraro, Marquee Rookies. Connor McDavid. That grunting you hear in the background is not my wife in labor or anything. She's just watching Survivor. She really gets into her Survivor. Anyway. Connor McTimmons, or Connor Timmons, Marquee Rookies. It's a blue, it's a different color. Oh, the checklist. Upper Deck loves their checklists. Thank God Panini doesn't have that shit. That's such a waste of a card. I don't know if that's worse than the coach's card. Like, you can go online and get a checklist, for Christ's sake. You really need to. Lean Bergman, marquee rookies. Rookie materials, Oliver Wahlstrom. That's pretty cool. Different. Ovechkin. Young Guns, our first regular Young Guns, Alexei Sarella. Lean Bergman again, Upper Deck Portraits. Almost at the halfway point. Canvas of Dirk Graham. Sounds like a porn song. Oops, keep going from the wrong side. Now after this, we'll be at the halfway point. Marquee rookies, Vilhelm. They give you tons of those marquee rookies. They're just very stingy with the Young Guns. Max Verano, Young Guns. It's only our second regular one plus the checklist. If we're going to count that, that'd be 3. We do have almost half the box left, so hopefully I'll skip us with that checklist. I really hope not. Connor Clifton, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. I mean, you don't get much in the hobby box. It's almost worth just buying the retail tins at Walmart or Target or wherever. It's not like you're getting autos in here or anything. Get that one napkin. Matt Zuccarello. Upper Deck's really getting blown away by Panini in terms of product presentation. I don't know. Upper Deck used to be the best. What happened? I mean, when I was collecting back in the 90s, they were. Canvas, Jonathan Quick. There it is. Got it. Nice. Looks pretty sharp. Nicely centered. That's what I wanted. That's what I bought the box for. So I got lucky. Got him in a checklist and in the regular card. I'm happy. You know what? Sleeve that up. I gotta sleeve Mr. Kako up. Get over here, young Kako. Let's get you nice and protected. Beautiful. So now I really don't, you know what? If I get gypped on the checklist, I really won't care. At least Kako was on the checklist too. Good box in my book. Ooh. Marquee rookies. Nick Kamano. Any numbering on that? No. Just really old-fashioned looking cards. With the cardboard. Like legit cardboard. PK Subban. Also, I think one thing about Upper Deck, their packaging is always the best. They were the first one to get rid of the wax and start sealing things so people... Giovanni Smith, Young Guns, nice. So people could, you know, stop searching wax packs so easily. So that was one way companies like Upper Deck in the 90s were innovators. Upper Deck, Skybox, NBA Hoops. Adam Fox, Upper Deck Rookie Portraits. That guy looks excited, huh? Alright, down to our last 4 packs. Anything right now is bonus to me. It's a great feeling when you get the card you're looking for. Nicholas Hayek. Marquee rookies. Charlie McAvoy. How about a canvas Jordan Bennington? Alright, last 2 packs. Young Guns Noah Dobson. Alright, last pack. Last pack mojo, maybe? Maybe another Young Guns? We shall see. Joe Thornton, Old Man Thornton. Ah, David Gustafson. Marquee rookies. Tyler Enos, I remember him. Alright. Very happy with this box. Great box. Got the Kako. Let's see if we got our 6 full Young Guns on top of that checklist. Or was the checklist one of them? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. They counted that checklist as a Young Guns because Kappos was the 6th. I got 2 Kappos in essence, because one was a checklist, but that's super scummy that you count a frickin' checklist as one of your Young Gun inserts upper deck. Super scummy. I'll still sleeve it as a rookie card for Kappos, but he's on the card and it's his rookie year. Even though that's scummy. Alright guys, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you do subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. We did get the one we were after. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good evening.